Okay guys, so today let's look at past paper from 2019, and this is the exam I took in level 1 first semester in organic chemistry. So the first question here says name the compound below. The first thing you need to do is to identify the compound, and this compound is from an alkene because an alkene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon with a double bond. And the next thing is to identify the longest carbon chain and the position of the double bond on that carbon chain and start your counting from that point. So in this case we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is denoted by pentene, but the functional group is on carbon 1, so this is pent 1 in. The next thing is to look for substituent. In this case we have two substituents and their position is on carbon 3. And they are methyl. We use the prefix di to denote 2 if the two substituents are the same. So the final name for this molecule is 3,3-dimethyl pent-1-ene. So the next question says, using reaction equation only illustrate the production of polyvinyl chloride PVC using ethine as a raw material. So let's get to the blackboard and do this problem. Your first step is to write the ethine and react it with hydrochloride. This will give you a vinyl chloride. Your next step is to polymerize the vinyl chloride. This will give you a polyvinyl chloride. You add N to indicate the number of vinyl chloride used. You also have to add N on the reactant. So this is how you can produce polyvinyl chloride from ethine. Remember, this one happens at a certain temperature that I do remember. So you go and find out, and also the pressure at which it happens. Question number 2. Write a balanced reaction equation for the complete combustion of octane. Let's go to the blackboard. Octane is an alkane with 8 carbon and 18 hydrogen. So we write C8 and H18. We react with oxygen because oxygen supports combustion. This gives you two products, carbon dioxide and water. All you need to do is to balance the equation. We add 8 to the right of carbon because we have 8 carbon on the left. We add 9 to the right of hydrogen, multiply that by 2 gives you 18, and we have 18 hydrogen on the left. All you need is to balance the oxygen. We have 25 oxygen on the right, so therefore we need 25 over 2 multiplied by 2, that gives you 25 on the left. But you do not want to leave your answer in the form of fraction. So you multiply the coefficient of each molecule by 2. This gives you a final result of 2C8H18 plus 25O2 to give you 16CO2 plus 18H2O. This is now a balanced equation. So the next question, B, says arrange the following organic compound in order of increasing boiling point. Give reason. First we take 1, 2, 3. Both of them have the same number of carbon. So boiling point decreases as you increase branching. This is due to the fact that as you increase branching, the surface area becomes smaller and the van der Waals forces become weaker. Hence, the boiling point decreases from 1 to 3. So to arrange this now in increasing order of boiling point, so we move from the least boiling point to the highest boiling point. So this will move from 3 to 1. So let's compare 1 and 4. Since both of them are alkane, and the boiling point increases as the number of carbon increases. So 4 boil more than 1. So to do the final arrangement in increasing order of boiling point, you start from the least to the highest boiling point. So this gives us an arrangement of 3, 2, 1 and 4. Thanks for listening.